So this is part 258, line 22F1A, Nuclear Surface Diffusion Chandrayaan-1 Gamma Ray 5G Wow Seti. There's the alien radio signal, and there's the numbers there. So then I googled the actual signal number, the 11 and then 1111114, and then the word NASA beside it to see if anything would come up. And these PDF files came up: megawatt class nuclear space power systems from MCN-SPS NASA, and that's ntrs.nasa.gov. And it says NASA contractor report 1796 megawatt class nuclear space power conversion systems. And there's the address, which you'll be able to see when I put it up on the blog, the Victoria Stafford Psychic Investigation WordPress website. Okay, so this is the next PDF is gamma ray evidence for galactic halo from ntrsnasa.gov, and it's from F.W. Stecker, 1978, produced by the NASA Center for Aerospace Information. It's got a bunch of code numbers there. Ion beam microtexturing and enhanced surface diffusion came up from the same website. And that's from R.S. Robinson from 1982. And again, that's all from the ones, I guess. Moon landing came up from Wikipedia. It says radio contact with the Chandrayaan-1 has been lost, and it will also crash on Apollo 11 and ending on December 14th, 1972. UTC with Gene Cernan. And while NASA stressed peaceful and scientific uses for these rockets, are used in Cosmos 111 Millennia M March 1966 lunar orbiter failure stranded in. So those all became what we call keywords, okay? So the next thing is Apollo 11 astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin set up the American flag. That came up. Then we've got target atmospheric CO2, where should humanity aim? That's from Columbia.edu, and that's from Jay Hansen from April 2008. And he talks about a limit of 1 degree Celsius global warming relative to whatever, and there's an email address there. These, I've actually taken the keywords and put them in further videos, which I haven't done yet. They're going to be in lines 22F1 to F1, FA, all the way to FG. So those still have to be researched, okay? The NASA Scientific and Technical Information STI program and its contractor-run facility, the NASA Center for Aerospace Information, CASI, advance aerospace knowledge and contribute to U.S. competitiveness in aerospace research and development. That's at www.sti.nasa.gov. So June 26, 2012 is when I was doing the research on this, and today is July the 11th. My thoughts: looking at the keywords and the data that comes up with this number, I find that these words stand out. Some will Google to see what else comes up. A formula idea from the keywords is nuclear plus power plus systems plus gamma ray plus ion beam plus enhanced surface diffusion. I'm going to Google enhanced surface diffusion to find out what it means, and a quote is from Wiki. Surface diffusion is a general process involving the motion of atoms, molecules, and atomic clusters, add particles at solid material surfaces. The process can generally be thought of in terms of particles jumping between adjacent absorption sites on a surface. Tunneling diffusion is a particularly interesting example of an unconventional mechanism wherein hydrogen has been shown to diffuse on clean metal surfaces via the quantum tunneling effect. Okay, so I'm going to be filming 22F1 from A all the way up to E, and I have a lot of videos for this section, and I've broken them down into little videos, okay? So I'm going to go on to the next one.